Hi guys, I'm KarthiKesh. In this video, we are going to see a special board. Sorry, not a board, it's also a microcontroller which is Node MCU. So let's go and let's get it. The Node MCU contains a microcontroller which is also known as a Wi-Fi module, and in some cases it may have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So it's easy to make different kinds of projects with this module. In both sides it have a IO pins, which is input output pin. It contains digital pins, analogs, TX, RX, and then power supply 5 volt, 3 volt, and then ground pins to interact with some modules and sensors. In Node MCU we can see a specific regulator which is 3.3 volt regulator. A voltage regulator also used in electronic equipment in which excessive variance in voltage would be detrimental. So it is used in this module. In front part of the Node MCU we can see three components, which is reset button and other side is flash button. In center we can see the micro USB connector. With the help of reset button we can rerun the program, and with the help of flash button we can use it in flash mode. With the use of micro USB connector we can program it. And then it consists of USB to UART bridge, which is a universal asynchronous receiver transmitter to get the program and to write in the Node MCU. So it's an integrated circuit used to send or receive serial data from USB port to serial data. So some may ask why these tutorial videos, because when we do a specific project we need to know about the specific component. So I am creating this type of tutorial videos. Next we are getting into big projects. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to KarthiKesh Robotics.